I was sent this office chair to give my opinion on the product. So let's go ahead and take it out of box so I can give my honest opinion. So in the box, you've got all the pieces, the base piece, headrest. It even comes with gloves. All the tools you need to put it together, the manual, the wheels. I mean, it's all here. Let's go ahead and get this thing put together so you can see what it looks like. All right, so the chair is now put together. It's a really nice chair. The padding on the bottom has been nice. Been sitting in that, testing it out. So let's look at some of the features. So the first thing is it is a mesh chair, which is great. I love these mesh chairs now that they're doing. They let your back breathe, so that way you're not sweating in these kind of chairs. They're thin enough to let air through, but they're still very nice and comfortable to lean against. It's got a nice padded seat with the same kind of mesh material covering it. So again, same thing there. And the armrests are also made of the same material. These armrests do fold up and down. So if you don't want the armrest there, you can fold them up, put them down. So I love this material on the chair, mainly because a lot of the chairs you buy now, they look like they're leather. They're not really leather. They're just kind of like a cheap vinyl. And I've got a chair in my office right now that I spent over $200 for. It's a chair, something like this, where it's got the mesh in the back, but the armrests have that fake kind of leather look, and so does the bottom, and the armrests are already starting to peel. So that just drives me crazy. So I'd much rather have a chair that's made out of a cloth-like material or polyester than the fake leather. This chair does have a shock adjustment down here where you can adjust the height of the chair. It also has the ability to allow you to lock or unlock the back. This also has, of course, the headrest, which I'm really liking that. I don't have a headrest on my other chair, and I'm finding that that's pretty comfortable to have a headrest on there. And then also it has adjustable lumbar back here, so you can just, you know, move this down or move this up. It works better with two hands, but you can move it up and down. And it's got really nice casters on it, so it's gonna roll very easy. It rolls around easy on the tile. All in all, it's been a really nice, comfortable chair. So this is going to replace my current office chair now. So if you're looking for a good mesh chair that will hold up for your day-to-day activities in your office, I think this one's it. So I hope this review was helpful, and if it was, would you give the video a thumbs up? If you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to the channel, if you would do that, that really helps me out. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.